Ja, så nu get the little tongue and come put it some in other pot already. This one. The other one like this too nice spoon pan already. Okay, the pan already.
So you have to do another second?
Hey. Big up yourself. Come in, top up the light, guys. I'll make oxtail. So we have sear them off first. Before. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Hi. Every now and again, I come live. Well, since recently. But nice to meet you too. Welcome to my live, guys. Welcome to my live. May I try to get comfortable with YouTube live because I've always been doing TikTok live. We're from Jamaica. Where are you from? You want a longer one? If it's stick, make it straight.
Yeah? Okay.
If it's stick, it makes it together. Okay. Why? You follow me? What a name? Why? Come in, comment, tap the live, like the live. Thank you. Making oxtails.
Super chat, why super chat? Super chat you don't have? That somebody asked.
Super chat you don't have. What's super chat?
No, I don't want you to send me money.
Eh?
The other time you should send me money.
What is so where you get that? Where you get that? Where's the
So there's a
one?
man sorry. You know what I'm saying? Usually.
Oh, look at my other phone. Pizza. I was on TikTok when I focus on YouTube. She was more coming in the picture than nobody. The interview for the rest. What was the bug? Who gets a charger? I don't have any charger for you. I do have no charger for you. Where I charge some compare room with the charger? No. That's what I'm telling you, I don't have a charger for you. Hi. Okay. I think that's closer than anything. I got very easily.
not my TikTok. In the Jamaican style, mama. Shut the light, guys. Somebody said, I don't know. Alright, later, guys.
I'll make some oxtail. Oxtail. My mom never taught me to cook. Really? But I'm learning from you. Okay. Pick up yourself. Take your time. Practice. Practice. That's the best thing I can tell you. Practice becomes perfect. Fago wago, I'm big himself. Thanks for the gift. Welcome in, everyone. We're making oxtail. I'm doing a catering, so I'm making some oxtails. That's so seasoning. oxtail. Oxtail, my dear, is coming, guys, and top up the live for me. Please top up the live. Come in, please top up the live. I might not be able to read the comment. Well, soon, come soon done this. So I would appreciate you guys if you tap the live for me. Oh no! You really about to do it. Oh, catering, Shirley. Wagwan. I'm doing a catering, that's why it's so much. Not for me. Yep. Then I need to come out. So. Look bottom left and like the video. Me that freshly? Are the people who answer? But that's been of over a second the moderator like oh TikTok do it. take off this before I wet it. Okay. I figured. Should I take off this before I make it wet? Probably this. Raya, big up yourself, thanks. Raya, oh. Want you with me now, maybe? I just the same thing over and over and over. Guys, I have to tap up the live. Tap up the live. Can't go down no more. Yep. I'm doing one now. Shelly, big up yourself. Thanks for coming over here, sir. You know the assignment. Let's get cooking. All right, this so. Ripple wagon. Find my sister them. Oh, what should they? Whew. Can't find who me I look for. Yep. Same to you, Empress. Have a great wind. Today's Friday. Baby, you can't go anywhere without thinking that you will. Let me see how I look. Good evening. I'm doing great. I don't need no help for this. It's a baby work. Are you nervous? Nervous for what? Nervous for what? Me a Taurus, you know. Tell mom that nervous. Nervous for. Tell me. I'm gonna on live every single day. Oh, no. Every day I'm gonna do this. Every day I'm gonna do this. Remember, you know, remember, it's like me I do a FaceTime. I said feel like me just I do a FaceTime call. So I'm not nervous. No, I'm not cut up them, eh? One can't find the stick them to pick them out. Where am I from? I'm from Jamaica. I'm from Jamaica. Where are you from? The Taurus are the best. Kitchen look nice. Thanks. Me eat that kitchen I like her. Sorry to say that, but it's true. Oh, it's blessed night to you and all the lovely people in the house. Blessed night to you too and happy Friday. And happy Friday. Oh, go on, Morgan. What's up? Hi, B-Mills. What's up? Hey, I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm having corned beef and rice.
Oh my lord. You know I'm a favorite that. One off. Eh?
Pardon me?
You know one of my favorite that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You know what I love? Some aged.
So what?
Aged.
Eh.
I'm gonna eat that in a long time. Huh?
You have to come to Jamaica for that.
Boy, man, let's see if I find one at a meat shop. Just in time for some of the nice callaloo. Can't wait. And a callaloo, a scallion, a true enough.
Good luck on that one.
Wow. The meat? What, the callaloo? But they're on YouTube too, you know. I mean, I try getting up on YouTube. I want to know one come on YouTube. So I have to cock up the two phone them.
Oh, me look up on
Check
YouTube.
for your inbox. You know, follow me on YouTube. You ever follow me on YouTube and then no, you just go live like how I go live on this.
Okay.
Yeah, I need to know on YouTube because I need some hours on YouTube. Some watch time, watch hours. Check your inbox. I sent you a note. Alright, I'll check it.
I'm gonna try over there.
Yeah. Okay. What more on upon YouTube though? More than TikTok. Going back to work. Alright. Take care. Makangan? Morgan, you just gonna left me so. I do a catering. I not cook for myself. I'm cooking for somebody. My trip was great. You telling about Ag Ed eating around here? Well, I love Ag Ed, I love Cowed, I love all kind of Ed. I love Cowed too. I love Ag Ed. I love Goated. Some people don't know nothing about food, you know. Them just there to use the regular food. To me, I think the head of the animal them taste better than any part of it. Trust me. The first time me eat cowed, the first time I get it to eat, I'm kind of skeptical. It's when I taste it, oh, it gummy and nice, murderation, botheration. I think I get that one of the nicest meat. I mean cowed. I think cowed are one of the nicest meat. That's what I honestly think. And the funniest thing, I went my old, my taste again. It's nice, it's true. If you never eat it, you wouldn't understand. It just have a different taste. It's more gummy, more tender, more flavorful. And if you don't eat foot, you don't know foot nice. I mean, I tell you, the head nicer than the foot. And only people who eat food can talk about food. Because some people that say, me nah name that. And we know say cow foot nice, chicken foot nice. But the head of the food them, bad. Bad. Honestly, I never tried the tongue yet, but I see it and I want to try it, but I've never tried it before. I see the cow tongue in the store, but I believe it nice. I just never tasted it before. Never had it before. Nice, Margaret. I don't know, I forgot to try that though. When I come cook it with me, me see it pan YouTube before. I'm gonna see the person boil it first, like them scald it, and then them season it and cook it. So I guess it's easy for cook, right? The only question is, it tough or it easy for cook? I figured it would have more pressure, right? Lawrence, big of yourself and thanks. Appreciate you. Guys, and support the page. Remember to support the page. And also remember, I have a cookbook selling. It's very affordable. So support me in any way you can. If the cow young. I figure, I know say all I know say all fall or all anything tough, hard for cook. Well, may I try it? May I try it? May I try it? That is something I'm gonna try. And worse, me see it one at the meat shop, so may I try it? May I try it? You know my daughter not gonna eat it though, unless me not tell her. Unless me not tell her. But I could just cook it. You add you have to scald it off and then strip it off, then cut it up. Yeah. Listen, I go cook it. I cook it. I promise you. I've never had it before, but I've seen it. Because I think at the outer part thick, right? I always tell people this. All if me never cook something before, I know me can't cook it. Cause to me, everything kind of cook the same way. I think everything kind of cook the same way. So I just cut up some seasoning. I have a catering food I do. Good evening, what's for dinner? I'm not making any dinner. I'm doing a catering. Yes, Morgan.
That cow tongue you're talking about?
Yeah.
You're gonna enjoy.
Oh my
I
God.
don't think the kid is gonna eat it though.
Yeah.
Young people are the old, don't try.
My daughter not even interested to try some things. When you fry liver, cause I love liver, I know. I love fowl liver. So I always fry it and eat it. So I say, taste it. She said no, she not taste it. So I force her to taste it. You know, no, this don't taste good. That time liver to me is so nice. But she don't name it. But I'm gonna tell her sometime. I'm gonna tell her this is some.
Let me tell you something, man. That cow tongue is very enjoy it.
Yeah.
You're an excellent cook. So you do your thing.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, because we find all the pig food where they come out nice, you fat. It come out nice, so the next week, them I ask the pig food again. I'm like, no, I'm not cook one meat this week, I'll cook it back next week. So I never cook it. Yeah.
Let me tell you, man. I've had cow tongue. Just like the other person like tell you to come in section.
Yeah.
Just call it out. And you do your thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But it's gonna turn out good.
Yep.
When you buy it, I enjoy it. But make sure you want it before you go there.
Me not mind. Listen, it's when people tell me say them not like something worse if me like it. Me glad, you know. But just go on like me not glad, but me glad. Cause I don't leave her when she says she not want none. Me glad. Me sit down and name the whole plate and leave her by myself.
That's what me trying to do now. Eat out everything.
Yeah.
Don't make sense you complain and say, okay.
No, sir. Exactly. Me don't sit down and name my chick. Cause I love chicken liver. I always fry, but I don't normally offer it to her.
Well,
Tongue nice with bean. Oh, cook it with bean and wet nice with rice.
Yes.
I
feel like food. What kind of food will you like?
Alright, J bro. I like dumpling, but sometimes dumpling just make me heavy. So that's why I'm not about to follow up dumpling. It's when me younger, I dumpling all the way. But now it make me too heavy. Eh?
Most Jamaican young people like itself.
Yeah.
Like when you love dumpling on the younger. Like you know, the early.
Yeah.
My sons, they were like
Cause even though I went my cook went there and I cook mashed potato and I make dumpling for my daughter because she love dumpling.
Oh yes, young people.
But me not bother follow it up. You say me eat all one dumpling, my belly just feel heavy. Worse right now, me I tell myself say my belly big. It's like I don't want a dumpling.
Let me tell you something about a chicken back now. It's a chicken back.
Yeah.
When my two boys and myself were living together, boss lady, everything, chicken back, from couldn't afford nothing else.
Yeah.
Chicken back, palalo.
Anything cheap. Yeah, can you eat too much high, right?
One too much right now.
Oh my God. Green banana. Alright, you see with green banana up here, them tough. See me have 3 fling down right there, so when we use make porridge. Them tough, J Brown. Tough. So me not follow banana up here, so. If me see yellow yam, I rarely see yellow yam. If me see it, I will buy it. And I will cook that. And I like them have a soft yam and a Jamaican yam though. And it's very nice. I think it come from Dominica. From where?
Africa.
Yeah, I think it come from somewhere. I don't remember if I Dominica I see pan it, but I see something right pan it. But it's so soft and nice. The skin ugly, but chef kiss nice.
I believe that the different things, the different countries that's in the yams come here.
Yeah.
None of them taste as good as the Jamaican yam.
The white yam they're nice for me taste, man. Cause when we there Jamaica, I never like white yam.
Every country believes for them food tastes the best.
Me taste for them yam and but it's good.
Yeah.
Good.
I have a problem. If I should come to the States now, what I'm going to eat. Because I don't like American food.
Yeah.
I used to go to Florida when I was a child. But
Hold on, my aunt, the girl.
eat pizza.
You don't follow junk food, you know? Yes, I love the kitchen. You're supposed to know. But we eat it, but we don't follow them sitting there.
It's patties.
Eh?
I love patties.
Oh. We don't eat anything, but we don't love junk food. I rather eat a plate of food. Alright, may I tell you this. Yes, when I eat junk food, I still crave for food. So that is why I just skip junk food all the way. Because it doesn't make sense to eat junk food and then I still gotta eat a plate of food. Because when I think about it, the way me love food, me go big and fat if me not try to do things different like from normal people. So what I do, I try my best. I just start juicing, so I just start drink juice. So I don't feel so bad because I not add sugar to it. I just juice it and drink it natural. So I don't feel so bad. But before 3 weeks ago, I only drink water. I don't eat until 12. And when I eat, I just eat a nice healthy food and just done with it. So I'm gonna follow up the bread and the sandwich and the foolish. But just leave that alone and just try to eat one healthy meal. Because if me for follow Jamaican food, because Jamaican food heavy, I'll be big and fat and can't hold on the phone screen. So that's why I'm try to do the gym also. So I can, keep myself right. Nice and right. Because trust me, I love food. I love food, so I have to try my best to do things the right way. Yeah.
Look at you in the kitchen now. When is the catering?
Tomorrow. Wow. Tomorrow, but early, so that's why I'm prep. Girl, I have a prep. When I do big something, it's the last Thanksgiving. And I try to come live, I say I could do it, I have to just turn off the camera. I was all over the place, so I have to do it a certain way so that I can't remember me alone, I have to get it done and I have to get it done on time, so I have to start it off early.
But when the business get big,
what?
You have to get a second.
I don't know if I want this, I don't know what to say. And even when I do catering, I like to do small things. I don't like to do too much because I go all over the place. And one thing with me, if I do something, I have to do it good. I can't think about spoiling somebody's food. Cause no problem that I paid.
Problem and losses.
Yes, especially last minute. Imagine when I can go get oxtail to go cut up, for clean up, for season up in a last minute. No, so I have to manage my time right. I have to manage my time right.
The Jamaican restaurant with a lot of people overseas.
Yeah. I have to cook rice and peas. So enough people can't cook rice and peas.
I know.
I know people can't cook rice and they swear they can't cook rice and peas. Sometimes I hear some of them a chat to me. I feel saying in my head. Oh, come to them people here. They are going to tell me, you can't reach them more.
Some of them chat too much.
Exactly. Cook the food where you want to cook it. One thing we tell people, enough things when me do now, and that's what my mother teach me. But me as a girl like this, I try everything, and what please me and me think is the best thing for me and everybody else, that's the way me stick to it.
Yeah.
My rice and peas, me cook my coconut milk with my peas. I don't wait till the last minute of time to put in my coconut milk. If you do it that way, it don't matter. But guess what? It tastes way better if you cook it with the coconut milk. Because,
That's exactly the cook.
And it's nicer. It's very nicer. That's how my mother teach me now.
You put a little bitter water and make it one while. By the time the peas ready to see the coconut milk, you have everything cook.
Some people ask them about to put in the rice and put in the coconut milk and swear me can cook. I don't like what the hell. And then they want to come tell me what to do. I'm like, oh, shut up here, I can't have no sense. I'm going to try cooking 10 different ways before I come show people nothing. Because I'm in a run joke. Exactly. And me can't eat taste bad food. So if you go tell people if you go. One thing with me, if the food is nice, all if I cook it, I can't name it, I don't want it for them. May I tell you? That's why I make my daughter cook. The last time she cooked, give me a minute name it and I feel so bad. So I tell her just leave it alone. I don't run joke, I don't care who. Yeah. She can't cook for please herself, but she can't cook for please me.
Yeah.
Me don't want to joke food and a play food. No, sir. Me not depend on that. And if somebody asks me to do something, I'm not confident in doing it, I'm not doing it.
Yeah.
Because your reputation.
What I do not like with some of the people them, and your when they come and comment section, this is not the way to do it. You don't know what to do it.
You see, that's why let me tell you this. You see my two best, well, I not two, three good content me have when me put on my page. I mean sure to make something offer is corned beef, fried chicken, and when me call my chicken brown stew chicken and them claim to say Africa's chicken or them want call it Africa's chicken. Frigassy chicken. Most Jamaican call it that way, there, but me call it brown stew. So that cause some more of a contention and controversy. And them something they sell. So when you see them a go on so we not feel no way. Me like it. Me like it. Cause that's where my money come in. So I love when them dog in the comment I kill up themselves. Sometimes I just when we see the comment die down, I just answer them back to make the comment start go again. So you know watch them. Sometimes I want to put curry on I want to make some curry and put a brown stew just to get them talking. Because I can't, when me go back and forth to the people, I don't do that. I left them down in them and then go on. Yeah. Yeah, some people not no respect. Some people not no respect. But what you gonna do? What you gonna do? You not gonna do no. Look how my daughter she named the two side of mango. So show her. I left the middle. Hello. She can eat one side. Eh? Wait, sir. Where's the Morgan?
You say leave the kid alone.
What kid? Chelsea a big man.
Yeah, I know kid. She's a big man, but she's a kid still.
Yeah, she'll go left me tomorrow. All the time. All the time, even today. Every minute, every hour.
Especially when she wants.
Yeah, she'll go back tomorrow.
Where she going? Jamaica?
No, London.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah. School.
Mommy.
You know. I know me I got lonely. My daughter travel often, more than me. Because you're other side of family. Our granny, anytime she go nowhere, the granny pay for your ticket.
Your mom or the dad's mom?
Dad. Our dad, mom. But just see she left out here, go around there. Them love them grandpitty, man. Well, my daughter not do no wrong. Well, you see my daughter? I understand what you mean, man. But my daughter is not a trouble child. She don't get trouble. None at all. None at all. It's weird. But none at all. If you go check on her now, she in her book. She not get problem. She not go road. She not do none of them sitting there. She not keep friend. One friend she have when I know from when she just come here. I the one friend's name.
Another Jamaican?
No. Sorry,
So
Jamaican.
I'm sure if you get a mango this up.
The store.
You buy it?
Yeah.
A Jamaican mango?
But it's nice.
Alright, if you can't come to the guys.
Nice, trust me. It tastes better than Julie. It can't taste better than East Indian, but it tastes better than Julie. But then if I true, I love Julie.
Why you love Julie?
I don't know. If it artist, if Julie turn, I will eat it. But if it ripe, I don't like it.
You know, Julie not nice when you overripe, you know.
When it ripe, it's nice.
I eat when it turn. You have one
If Julie ripe, I don't want it. If it ripe, I don't want it. I like when it turn too.
Rotten. Hold on, charge.
Well, God, well, good night. Guys, you have to tap up the live and have to engage with the live. Engage with the live, please.
Yes. I'm losing it. I'll tell you what, Miss Ross. I'll be in the comment section later.
Alright. Take care. I forgot to have to take it down again. Welcome, Petal. Good evening. Good evening, my dear. J Brown is still there with me. Fatal. Tired, just leave my garden. But New York City cool. Just take over my eater. Okay. You don't cook cow skin and bean too. Yeah, I cook cow skin. I went last I cook cow skin. Oh, the last time I cooked cow soup, I put it in some soup. But yeah, I cook cow skin. I can't make a list of things that people ask me for. So I can't cook some, but I have to go remember. I might cook some with cow foot Sunday. Might. Let me see. Me still here and watch you and mash up the mango. Why me done 2 more mango, I swear. I done 2 more mango. I love mango bad, you know. Me and this a papaya struggle. I love mangoes. Bad, bad, bad. What you making today? You know, I not really make nothing. I do a catering, so I eat me the day I prep. And I eat a one mango. I eat piece of the papaya. What's for dinner? Me eat already. Me eat some pasta. We didn't make pasta yesterday. So me eat some not too long. So me don't me I gotta eat nothing else. I guess this is my dinner. The mango and the papa. Cool. So I cramp my teeth. Tomorrow. Should we see your friend yesterday? You have to make the Caesar soak. Enjoy. The mango more. The mango more. Chew me down a choice. May I eat this? I said it late. I do want to take a shower and come back on live. But that me gonna do now. Do want to relax and chat to people. Last night I had fun on live. Last night was crazy. I laughed in my week. The good thing about life, sometimes you meet some nice people. Sometimes you meet some nice people who just make you laugh. Yeah. Sometimes some people come on live and make you miserable, you know, but there are days they meet some nice, genuine people. I think I just cut up this and put it in one bowl or something and just munch on it. Where's more? Thanks, Metal. Thank you. That made me feel good. You can't imagine. Yeah. Sometimes some people come on the live make you miserable, just a cuss. You have to cuss and go on bad. You have to come out of character. And next time you just load them, yeah, man. And just enjoy yourself. Wanna make what did I make papa juice? Cause the thing with papa, I not like, you know. The thing with papa, I not like, he make juice thick. He made the juice thick, and I don't like thick juice. I think juice supposed to be more like, you know, refreshing and thin. I don't like thick juice. I don't like mango juice neither, you know. If I put mango in my juice, I will just put a little bit of mango. I don't like juice thick up. So what do you make papa juice with? Papa with, when you make juice, if you don't want it thick. Can we blend liquor with peas, some pineapple where it is still thick. I don't enjoy that. Unless I just put a little piece in it. And if I juice it by itself, it's thick. Last Sunday I made a smoothie with it and it was nice. with milk, some nut and egg, some vanilla, and it was good, and little sugar. Water. If I add water, I forgot add sugar. I not drink no sugar. I not drink no sugar. So what I juice that I got fresh, cause if it done no sir. That I got fresh. I need to go Google where the seed are this good for you know. Cause my ears say the seed good, but I know if I feel woman or man. If the seed good for woman or man. Hey.
Some nice pepper.
Huh?
Just some nice pepper. Just put a little more water.
Yeah. And blend.
So you get thinner.
Yeah, but it not go fresh, it go fresh. I guarantee it go fresh.
It's good, man. It's good for your health.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Usually I don't drink juice, I just drink water. But I started some juicing lately. So may I try to understand the fruit them really, cause me try the papaya and something and it's too thick. And I'm like, nah. I don't like it like that.
I know. I use that every other day. I use pepper.
Oh, it's good for parasite? That's just the seed of the papaya.
Yeah, man, it's good. The seed is very good.
Yeah, I heard that if you put it in water and soak it. Here's that some people eat it too.
You could cut the pepper.
Yeah.
And make it like and stew the meat with it too.
And what?
You could cut the pepper and stew your meat with it.
Oh, the green one.
Like Irish potato.
But the green one.
So you don't use Irish potato, yeah.
You use the green pepper.
Yeah, the green one.
Yeah, I heard about that.
I use that every day.
You use it every day?
Yeah, man.
Where are you from? Your accent.
I'm from Grenada.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Caribbean island.
Yeah.
The spice island.
Islander. We also have some good pimento seed.
Yeah, man. Grenada is nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Okay. Grenada.
Yeah, man.
You have some nice mango down there too.
Oh, how kind of mango?
I love mango. So that's why I asked about the mango. J Brown, big up yourself. Big up yourself, darling.
You know the name Julie?
Yeah.
Right.
We have a Julie mango. We have Julie mango too. But I don't like Julie mango.
No for them.
I don't like Julie mango.
You don't like it?
If it's the same mango. Because we have some too. A lot of people love it in my country, but once it's too ripe, I don't like it. So.
No. Yeah. And don't let it fall on the ground.
No. That means it's the same mango.
Yeah.
Can't drop butter and taste.
They have one they call Ceylon mango. This is better. This is nice too.
Okay. The one that I love in my country is East Indian mango. I love East Indian mango.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have a different name? You have a next name for it?
For the East Indian? No. I don't know if there's another name, but that's the way we call it. We have Blackie mango, we have Erie mango, we have Number. Yeah, number 11. The mango we just eat a while ago, it tastes like number 11.
Yeah. I do.
Nice.
That's nice.
Yeah. But I love mango. Bad, bad, bad. I'll eat mango
Yeah,
every
man.
single day.
Yeah.
Yep.
But when mango is season, I
Wh-
don't eat plenty, you know. When it's off season,
You miss it.
then you need it.
Yeah. Same thing in a Jamaica. When you see the mango, they're in a care feet.
Yeah.
And when mango season out, that's when you're like, oh, would I eat 2 mango? That's weird. Yeah. It's crazy.
Yeah, man.
But, yep.
I was just strolling and I see you, so I said, let me here say hi.
Okay. Well, it's not your first time because I've seen you before.
No, we always talk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause your name familiar. Ring a bell.
Yeah. On the mountain.
Yeah, you might say one and two thing and then you're gone.
And just, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm so busy.
I understand that good.
I do a lot of farming.
Oh. Farmer. Mm-hmm.
And then my parents have an island.
Yeah.
So I go over there to stay.
Okay.
I get
Me
my
like the
food.
farmer man them, you know.
Huh?
Me like the farmer man them.
Yeah, man.
I like the farmers.
Put it to watermelon, pumpkin, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then on the island, I have a lot of wild foods.
Oh my God. Boy.
Yeah, man.
Me not.
It's a fun to trust them down.
But tell people this all the time. Even though I'm in America, I want to go somewhere where me can have my farm.
Yeah.
Cause I want my goat and my pig. I like them something them. I like them day to day. If you know, so I have to get up to take care of things. I love that. And it's so funny. I have one child and I love kids. I wish I had a lot of kids. And I only had one.
I know.
Cause I like cater to people.
I
That's
wish
so
I had a lady
strange.
like you, so I'll take you to the island.
Exactly. You'd have seen me up on the farm. You'd have surprised. You're not gonna believe some love them something they saw.
Listen to me. I got 60 acres 1 week
Yeah.
and 500 acres 1 week.
Oh Lord.
Where's my family? With the 500 acres is my family.
Okay.
But the 60 acres is personal me.
Okay.
It's fenced round.
Whole heap of farming.
So
Lord
I
of
go on
God.
weekends. I go up on weekends. I have a little house up there.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
That sounds interesting, man.
Yeah, man. Real nice.
Yeah, when your kids them gone, cause my daughter, she about to leave me. So when she gone now, me alone just there. I should have a farm, I should have some fowl for, you know, go take care of them and my animal them. Something to take care of.
Yeah, man. When you see them, they're running wild.
Why?
They got little kids and things, you see them up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yep. I love cater to people.
So they could drink water, you know?
I love cater to people, so
Yeah.
I have a hard time. Who me I go cook for? Who me I go clean for? Who me I go wash for? Nobody. Me I go be lonely and miserable.
I know.
Oh my. Yeah. Life.
I carry you there.
Life. I want to go take a nice shower and come back live. But I not even realize it that late.
I know. Yeah, it's late. It's dark already. When it's dark.
Yeah.
So where are you in Jamaica?
No. I'm in Mass. US.
Oh.
Yeah.
Africa?
America.
Oh, America, right. Okay. We must keep the link, man. So, you know.
All right.
When you're
Okay.
yeah,
Motivation. All right, so thanks for joining.
Welcome, baby. Anytime.
All right, big up yourself. Stay blessed, okay?
Whenever I'm strolling, I will look for you.
All right, stay blessed. Stay blessed.
One love.
All right, one love.
And we're gonna keep that way. Yeah?
Okay, no problem. All right, bye-bye. Bye.
Lovely. Yeah.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
What's up? B-Mills, what's up? I'm not airing you.
So just here at work, want to say hello.
Okay, hi.
Hi. You okay?
Huh?
So you been okay?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Proud of you.
Huh?
You said I'm proud of you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, this, uh, motivation, did you want to say something, my dear? All right, I'm going to take you down. Cutie. Morgan. I'm here. A prep up. But me never want to come on yet because I want to take a shower first and come back when we can relax. Come if you have to clean up by the kitchen.
Well, I'm gonna take a shower, man.
What? Yeah, I want to take a shower and come back. But never realized it's so late. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to take a quick shower.
Okay.
And then I'll be back.
Okay.
Alright, take care, guys. Guys, remember, takes nothing to be kind. Spread some kindness whenever you guys can. So, stay blessed. I'll be back soon for those who want to come back. Later. Bye. Hi. Sorry about that. You too. Me I wanna struggle. Me and I struggle because I don't 100% understand YouTube and I'm trying. But and then I tell myself so I gotta stop turning on TikTok. I gotta just focus on YouTube. But it's hard. But more I get familiar with the people on YouTube. So I don't know how we're gonna do this. But we gotta do this. I'm not giving up. But it's gonna take time. Cause the thing with the, TikTok, I've been on TikTok over a year, so I'm familiar with a lot of people on TikTok. So when it comes to TikTok, I'm more comfortable, if that makes sense. With YouTube now, it's like I'm trying because I don't really understand much about YouTube Live, even though there's not much to understand. But I need to get more familiar with the people I'm on here. But guys, thanks for your company. Jay Brown, I don't know if you're still there. I appreciate you because I've seen you here several times. So I appreciate that. And as I said earlier, it takes nothing to be kind because sometimes we don't know what people are going through. So it's nice for you to, show some kindness or spread some kindness whenever you can. It not have to be nothing of no monetary value, nothing will cost shit. You can just, sometimes you just need just by saying something nice to somebody that will make a difference to the person. So gonna stay blessed, and I'll see you guys, I don't know when again, when may I cook again. Big up on yourself.